So, let's talk about mindset. Your mindset. Lahat tayo, we have different mindset based on our vibrations and frequency. Depende sa level ng awareness ng isang tao. So, kung merong mga tao na nasa low vibes or low vibration, so they have a very low mindset or more on negative mindset. So, kung ikaw naman ay nagbabibrate sa high frequency or you are a high vibe people, so ibig sabihin, you can see things in a positive way. So, for example, tayo bilang isang tao, natural sa atin na magkaroon ng mga problema, ng mga challenges. So, kapag nasa low vibration tayo, so, nandoon yung mga reaction natin na kung paano tayo pinrogram ng society. No, kailangan maging emotional ka, kailangan mag-ano ka rin ng simpatya sa ibang tao. So, kailangan magalit ka or kailangan sisihin mo siya. So, kung ano-anong mga emotion, kung ano-anong mga trigger na kailangan mong ipakita or kailangan mong mag-react sa mga events na ito. While if you are vibrating in a high frequency, so you become more neutral. So, ibig sabihin, you can see things in different perspectives. So, for example, nagkaroon ka ng problema. So, yung problema, instead na isipin mo na it is a chaos or chaotic event. So, mas iisipin mo na it is a blessing in disguise. Although, I will not use this word that which is blessing. Bless means be less. So, sinasabi ko lang ito dahil tayo kasi mas madali nating, mas na-program kasi tayo na blessing is a good word. So, if you are vibrating in a low frequency or you are a low vibes, so, yung mga problema na dumarating sa'yo, iisipin mo na very chaotic or very, kumbaga, chaos, nagkikreate ng chaos sa'yo ng malaking pagsubok. Which is, kapag ikaw naman ay nagbabibrate sa high frequency or you are a high vibe person, so iisipin mo na ang mga problemang ito is a blessing in disguise. And problem and challenges is different because problem need solution, na which is you will see things in a positive way at instead na mag-react ka sa mga bagay in a negative way. So, magagawan mo ito ng solusyon. While challenges unlocking new skills for you in order to take you to the next level of your awareness.